Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Jamie, and I know we've been talking about the ASUS ZENFONE Max M2 a lot on the channel recently, but I did promise you guys a gaming review, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Can the newest release from ASUS live up to its loaded hashtag of Powerhouse King? Let's find out, but first, a quick recap on its key specs. The ZENFONE Max M2 is rocking a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 processor that's paired with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of expandable storage. Because of the chipset's 14nm architecture, it gets a significant boost over last year's model that's sure to help you with your gaming experience. The display size is the same as its Pro sibling, which measures in at 6.3 inches, but you're getting a downgrade in resolution at 1520 by 720 instead of Full HD+. While that seems like a bummer, the fact that the processor doesn't have to push as many pixels means you'll be getting more performance out of this device and a bit more lasting power out of its 4000 mAh battery as well. With that squared away, let's get to the actual gameplay, and of course, first on our list is Asphalt 9. With graphics on high quality, we were able to get an average of 20 frames per second on one of our favorite games to test phones on. That's a good average, but the stability definitely gets a C+ at 79%. Not too bad on the first game for this gaming review, so let's move on to Vainglory 5v5. Looking at the numbers, the Max M2 doesn't do too badly on our MOBA of choice as well. It managed a median frame rate of 47 with a stability of 82%. Now you will notice a couple of stutters here and there, even in team fights, which might cause a bit of trouble at key moments of a clash. We definitely recommend keeping the settings at medium to make sure the games run smoother and you don't let your team down. On to the next game, NBA 2K19. It's smoother sailing on this title, so if you're a big basketball fan, you can now let out a sigh of relief. This Battery King managed an average of 27 frames per second at 99% stability, with everything set to as high as we could without cloth simulation on. You can tweak it a little bit more to really squeeze a few frame rates out, but all in all, the results aren't too bad. Last but not least on our gaming review, PUBG Mobile. Playing this popular battle royale on the M2 was a pretty good experience. We got an average of 25 frames per second at 99% stability. We do have to bring up though that we could only bring up to medium settings at best because of the phone's resolution. Still, not a bad score for this Battery King. The ASUS ZENFONE Max M2 can definitely game, but you'll need to tweak settings to make sure you'll get the smoothest gameplay experience possible. The battery life on any Max model has always been a strong point, and you can definitely rest assured that it'll be a while before you have to plug in or reach for your power bank. The ASUS ZENFONE Max M2 is priced at 8,995 pesos, making it one of the better options if you're looking for a phone for less than 10,000 pesos. I'm pretty sure that some of you are going to be storming the comment section about the Redmi Note 7 though, so yeah. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on the next ones. If you have any comments, just leave them down below and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. For all the latest tech news and gadget reviews, head to unbox.ph, plus follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Jamie, peace, God bless, and I'll see you guys next time.